I updated my iPad to iPadOS 27, and I have chosen some pictures, some photos that I want to test the new AI features on. So here I have the first picture. It is a picture from a 360 camera, and I can go to tools and extend this. How I how you want to extend this is like this. It makes more sky. It's this is I'm gonna keep it for the first one in the real time. So I just want to point out how the corners, how it's not around it at all, and I would expect it to be at least a little bit, at least moving, a little bit moving, but it is still image like this, not like image playground. The reason why I did this is I want to try extend, a reframe feature, and it's gonna have this cool visual, and I will be able to move with this. And what it will do is it will be like in a galaxy, some wormhole, I guess. I can like move it with this, and this is looking kind of cool, but will be useful? No, no, it will not be. So the picture is done, and it reframed it, and I did not what I expected. I knew that this is not gonna be very good. And by the way, you wanna use a cleanup. You can clean up, and it will remove any intelligence edits that you've done previously. So no extend, no reframe with cleanup. What I wanna do with cleanup is I wanna remove the planet. I wanna remove the middle. So I'm gonna select it, select all of this, and be gone. So this is what I did. I did not remove the the planet. Oh, it's not a planet, like the globe, I guess. So again, I did a safety filter applied. I don't know what that means, but I have another picture here that is this. It's a picture of a landscape. By the way, the iPad is overheating, so the feature was done on device. Some of the features, I think the cleanup was done on device. I can go to cleanup. No, I can go to tools. I wanna reframe this. Why? Because I chose this picture specifically because it has no depth. It has depth, but like, how can I change it so it will? I cannot. If I could go and let go, it moves back. I cannot maybe reframe this. It's I can click on a reframe, but I was thinking it's not gonna change the perspective. It's gonna be a little bit on the edges. It's gonna extend the picture, but it's not gonna be reframed. And it did exactly that. I can go here and I can see the original. So it did not even extend it. It just made it less vibrant and did nothing expectable. I wanna go to cleanup, and I wanna remove all of the trees here. I wanna have a field, then a horizon, and then sky. So I'm gonna select all of these trees like this. That is good enough, I guess. And let it do. Try again with a small area. Okay, so I'm gonna make like a space right here. I wanna remove these trees. Like there was some road or passage there. Remove. Again, I think it's doing it on device. Is getting hard kind of, and it did a job that I did not want it to do. So let's get it back. Uh, I have another picture here. This is a picture of from a cinema. It is a backrooms poster. I wanna go to tools and I wanna extend this. I've tried this already, and what it's gonna do is going to put the poster on a door. There's gonna be handle, and there's gonna be handle at the right side, and mount on the left side there's gonna be the thing that holds the door. I don't know it in English. That's exactly that. There's no handle, but there's these. Okay, let's apply it. There's these thing that hold the doors. So it was not on doors. It was at a wall. But I'm now showing how this is AI. It does not know where it was. It is making it up. I have another picture here. I wanna again extend this. So I go to extend and make it bigger and extend this. Again, I tried this already many times, and it always gave me a pen in my right hand. There's gonna be a pen. It's gonna be a pen, a pencil. It's gonna be metal pen. It's gonna be whatever it decides, but there's gonna be pen. I tried this like 5 times already, and there's always pen, and I got it. Now it's kind of wooden or visual wooden. No, it's not wooden at all. It's metal. It is not like this is the worst pen they gave me at this point. I don't know why it gives me pen always. I don't think this is supposed to be my shoe. It's not supposed to be shoe, I guess. This is my bottle, the green thing. It is making a shoe from it, I guess. Okay, here I have an amazing screenshot that I took. And I took this out of my MacBook. And I don't want the cursor to be here. There's a cursor of my Mac. I want to go to tools and clean up. I cannot even use extend or reframe. I can only use clean up. So click on clean up and select the cursor. Let's do its thing. Have it gone. And now I can see before and after. And I think this is a very viable and very good use case of this cleanup feature. So this is the best use case that I could find, in my opinion, about this feature, or all of these AI features. I want to speak about some things. I was looking at a newsroom from Apple, and there was no mention of environment. The new features that I just used are not what I could find, are not done on device. Some of the cleanup was, but the reframe and extend, it's not done on device. It is done in Nvidia servers. And in 2024, Apple was proudly saying that the servers that the new AI features in 2024 is different features, that it's going to run on device. That's very environmental, for environment good, because it does not use a server. And when it goes to a server, the server is going to use an Apple Silicon M2 Max or M3 Max, I believe it was. Oh, they never said it, but I guess we figured it that. But no longer now, as I said, it's going to Nvidia servers, and Apple Silicons are power efficient because it's going to small phones, it's going to iPads, it's going to watches. It is built to be power efficient. And Nvidia chips are not built to be power efficient, not all of them, and it's not their main goal. Their main goal is to be as powerful as possible. There was, again, as I said, there was no mention of an Apple newsroom about the environment, specifically with the series of all of these AI features. 2024, they were again proudly saying it is very good on the environmental side. This time not. So I guess it is not that good because they are not speaking about it. It is their decision to not speak about it, and I respect it. But I do not understand the need that Apple has to have these AI features. I want to show you one more AI feature that I think is the worst from all of these, and that is image playground. Let me open up image playground, and this is an app specifically to make up pictures, made pictures. It is not supposed to enhance, reframe, extend your pictures or photos. It is supposed to make up something. And I can write me and mom. I'm gonna let it go. This is total done on the servers. You can now see that it is very rounded. It is a liquidy, not like in Apple Photos. Hey, look at this. This is me and mom. Uh, it's not me, and it's not mom. Yeah, so this is how personal it is because you can see this is I guess me. Oh, I guess so. I don't know. Here we go, personal AI. I want to do it again because it's just before in Apple Photos to create a special memory. It asks you like choose me, and you have to choose who I am and choose mom. Who is it? And here we go. There's another picture of me and mom. No, it's not me. I could give it a picture and like say this is me, this is mom. Let's make a picture from it. But I thought it is supposed to be already done. It's supposed to be intelligence, and it's supposed to be personal intelligence. This is not. At least the Photos app does something with your pictures. The image playground just makes something up. I now tested the features. It's not very good. It is not good, and I did not expect it to be good because I don't again I do not understand why Apple feels the need to have these kind of features. I think Apple does not need to, especially with the image playground. I don't understand at all why they need to create pictures, why they think it is a fundamental thing for the operating system or or them as an operating system who have these features. I said in different videos that I am in EU and this iPad is EU based, and the reason I got these features is because it is not Siri AI. The only thing that is not in EU is the Siri, and that's because I cannot choose a different assistant. There's only Siri, but I can choose a different Photos app. I can choose a different generating images app because I can go to Google Photos. I can go to I don't know other photos. So that's the reason why in app Photos it is there, not with the Siri. But the best feature, the Siri, I would say, is not available in EU. For example, the AI for shortcuts is here, and the passwords are here. Like the AI fixing passwords, it is all here in EU, but not in new Siri. Yeah, so this was me testing these new AI features. Thank you for watching.